getting to make some clasps for the Murphy bed so that it can't slide down or can't fall down when I'm going down the road if it's up. So I'm cutting a couple pieces of 1/2 inch MDO. Give me a little more length on it to reach it easier. And I'll show you as I go along. This is one of the new mods. Just added my hold-ups to hold the Murphy bed in. I've still got to make a stop at the bottom when it's up so that the bottom can't slide out. So these came out perfect. Perfect location. Out of the way. Let me put this back up and I'll show you how it connects. Okay, it's in the up position. And you can see the lock in there. It's attached to the wall back there. I gotta put one self-tapping screw up there to go into the metal. And that'll be done. And then over here it comes up. And you lock it in place. And it's not going anywhere. And now I've got to put a stop right down here. Now I can just drop in and pull out to keep the bottom from sliding out in case I want to travel with the bed up for some reason. Alright, one addition almost done. I could have put one in the middle. I don't know, I kind of like symmetry, so I've got 2 up there. I think looks good. They're in the black, which will match the trim and stuff I'm going to be doing out here. Little by little. Okay, got my stop ready to go, and put it in, and it does, just drops down in, like that, and keeps the bottom of the bed from sliding out. All I got to do is sand off those. Well, I got to glue them in and sand off those, and it's ready to go. That project is done. Well, I've got all the lettering off the back of the bus, so next thing is buffing it down and putting the rest of my lettering on there. The sides of the bus are a mess. People that owned it before me took a lot of the lettering off, and you can see they chipped the paint, but there's only one coat of paint on here anyway, so I'm going to repaint these sides. So I'm just taking the rest of the glue off myself, and I'm not too worried about chipping it because I'm going to fill all that and repaint it. Then I'm going to buff out all the fiberglass panels, and it'll start to look good again. Still got the other side to do. I'll get all that glue off today and use some Xylol to take the residue off that's left. Making progress. The previous owners tried to pull this lettering off with a razor blade. This is where I used goop on it and a couple other cleaners, and it took the paint right off because there's hardly any paint on these sides. So this must be where they first started taking the letters off. As you can see, they really gouged it up. So that's why it's going to have to be painted. But that's okay. That'll give me a good background for a design on here later on. And I still got to buff out this panel down here. That's all fiberglass. So, little by little, I'm getting there.